this is the Fisher & Paykel Vitera mask. I'm going to show you how to put it together. So with this mask, you do have clips that will hook on the bottom of the mask. So I would take it and hook those on first, so you know that it's on right side up. So then you can take your top Velcro straps and unvelcro them, and they're going to go through these little holes at the top and then come back and Velcro to themselves. And do the same thing on the other side. And now you're ready to fit your mask. You're going to take your mask and then you're going to put it over your nose and your mouth, and then coil this part down in the back and come around and put your hook in on each side. And it's easier to do one at a time. Some people try to do both hooks at the same time. It's easier to try to feel for your hole to hook it into and then hook it. So once you get everything hooked up, you can take your Velcro straps and adjust it to where needed. So kind of keep them even on both sides when you're adjusting these, and just get it snug enough where it's comfortable to your face. Same thing with the top straps. Just fit it where it's comfortable, not super tight. Should always be able to get a finger underneath each strap. Go ahead and apply your pressure to the mask. Then you can make the fine adjustments and make sure your mask is still locked. You do have an adjuster up here on this mask. It's a Velcro, so if you need to tighten from top to bottom, you also can unvelcro up here and tighten that up as well. To see if you have leaks, you can just take your fingers and run your fingers around where the mask seals against your face. If you don't feel any air coming out, it's a good sign that you're sealed well. You will feel air coming out of the front of the mask. That's your exhalation right there. You don't want to cover that up. That lets the carbon dioxide you're breathing out of the mask. We do have a quick release on here. So these actually just pull right off, and this will stay in your tubing. However, sometimes you'll get a new mask and your old tubing will not fit. This is usually stuck in the end of your tube. So if you ever have that issue and you got a new mask and it will not fit, just check to see if that quick release is still in your tube. So with this mask, you're going to wash it once a week in mild soap and water. The cushion part that touches your face can be washed every day, and we encourage that. So you can just pull it off and wash it in soapy water every day, or use a non-alcoholic wipe such as a CPAP mask wipe. These are changed monthly. You received extras put in your box, so make sure you get those swapped out appropriately. So this is the Vitera. If you have any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to give us a call.